Today we're going to be reviewing a custom torque tube application that's been supplied to a large automotive OEM here in the state of Ohio. What this application is for is transferring rear suspensions on a sub-assembly line. We have 5 different types of suspensions out of 2 different styles of dunnage that we're handling with this one assist in one end tool. So just sort of starting from the top down, we're going to be mounted up to unified aluminum runways and bridges. You'll also notice our carriage is what we refer to as a clamshell carriage. We had to do that just because it was an existing cell layout and we needed to adapt our end tool to the current structure and rail system just to mitigate costs for our customers. So we did what we call as a clamshell just to get some additional height out of our system. Again, torque tube, air cylinder, THK rail, completely pneumatic actuated assist. A couple other features that you'll see here is the parts are picked in a vertical orientation and then set at a horizontal. So we do have a tilt feature here as well. And then pneumatic clamps. So one side's static, one side's dynamic. Essentially what they do is they go in, they hook the one side, clamp it up. So just general walkthrough of functionality, what this tool is doing. So again, up, down controls, controlled via Gorbel soft touch pendants. You have the rotate feature, which is on a 2-hand anti-tie down, meaning that you have to suppress both buttons simultaneously for that action to occur. And then finally, we have the clamp, unclamp feature, which is also on a 2-hand anti-tie down, just to prevent the customer from an accidental set. In addition, on the unclamp, if there was a part suspended and still having load on the cylinder, the additional safety redundancy that we have is a set down safety. So meaning if there was weight on there, it would not unclamp even if you did hit it simultaneously, just to prevent an accidental drop with a part. Final feature that I'd like to touch with you guys on is the operator has to stand in 2 different positions throughout this process during the pick and set, depending on the different models. So we do have a swing handle on here with a pneumatic brake. So basically it allows them to change orientation relative to the end tool depending on where they need to be with the different types of dunnage. One's a front load, the other's a side. So that's the benefit of having that feature on there. So appreciate everybody's time taking a listen today. Take care.